So, there are very compelling reasons why one should look at doing a 1-year MBA versus a 2-year MBA. The biggest reason on the 1-year MBA is that there is a huge cost to studying for 2 years. There is the cost of the second year of education that you do not incur if you do a 1-year MBA. But more than that, there is an opportunity cost associated with the fact that you are not able to work for an additional year if you are going to take 2 full years to do an MBA. So, there is a cost of the second year of the fees and the cost of doing the MBA, and there is an opportunity cost or a missed benefit of not working for a second year, which you would be able to do if you just did a 1-year MBA. The second important aspect of a 1-year MBA is that there is the context that you get from having worked in the business world makes the learning in the classroom much greater, because you have already seen what the world of business is like, and now you are learning academic concepts that connect the academic to the practical. So, what you have already seen helps you learn better when you learn new concepts in the classroom, and also of course, you are able to draw connections between different things that you have seen in the outside world. In a allied point, for the people in the class, it is great to have people with experience in the class, because they are able to then bring in examples from their workplace and teach you things that you may not have experience in the work that you did. So, there is a tremendous amount of peer learning, which is a very important aspect of any MBA program that happens in a 1-year program, because people come with work experience. The final point I would like to say in the favor of the 1-year MBA is that the 1-year MBA, because it is a shorter program, is much more professionally oriented. It is much more career oriented, and you do not spend too much time into sort of abstract and deep academic concepts in management, which frankly you do not need when you go back into the outside world. So, I have always believed that the management program needs a complete overhaul, and I think the 1-year program is the first innovation in that overhaul of a 2-year management program, where all of the extraneous and extra courses have been cut out to make it a really concentrated program that prepares you best for the business world. And in that sense, it is practical, it is experiential, and it prepares you for a good career and profession, and that comes out of a 1-year MBA. Now, typically people expect that people with experience would join a 1-year MBA program, and so what about freshers is the common question that is asked. My view on this is that there are always a certain number of people without experience who are exceptional and would work really well in a 1-year MBA program as well, even if they did not have experience. And the reason for that is that some students have an aptitude for learning, they have an aptitude for business that short circuits the need for having to do WorkX before you go to a 1-year program. They may also be people who already come from business families, or they may have done a number of business courses, and even if they have not done business courses, they are very practical. They may have done projects, they may have done internships, they may have summer jobs, which help them give enough exposure to them to the world of business that it becomes almost a substitute for having had full-time experience. So, it is definitely something that freshers can also consider, in addition of course to people who apply with work experience.